Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to use React and Cloudinary to build e-commerce websites. Now, have you ever thought how basic sites like this are created using React and how you can see the functionalities of each of the pages? Now, React is a very important and unique front-end Java framework, and the million-dollar question is, what is React? Now, React is referred to as a front-end JavaScript framework, and which is used in developing most websites. It is the backbone for web development, and we also have what we call React Native, which is also used for building apps on mobile and Android and iOS platforms. Now, React is a very important JavaScript framework. The next question we'll now ask ourselves is that why choose React? Um, First, React is one of the most popular framework used by most developers, and you can see from the diagram here that what React will take the forefront. Next, also, React has like eight important advantages. Number one, it is a simplified scripting language. Number two, it is a component-based architectural word framework. It has a faster rendering effect. It is stable for code structure. It is SEO enabled. It is handy for most developers, and that's why most developers use React. It is used for mobile app development, and most importantly, it is easy to learn and easy to use. Now, the major fact is that if for this e-commerce platform I created here, which is just a simple organogram I did, um, what we use the concept called what mapping. Now, as we all know that React is component based. Um, and what makes React unique is that um, if you look at the conventional HTML, CSS, JavaScript that we used to have, you'll notice that the header and let me go to this. Okay, yeah. If you look at this, what conventional was HTML, CSS, JavaScript web project created. Let me run this and let me show you. Open with live server. You will notice that the header, the body, and the footer are all embedded in what in one platform, featured very well. And that's where you can see what you have a lot of what script here. And one problem most developers will face that when you want to debug, whether you want to view the CSS part or you want to view the HTML part, sometimes it's quite easy. You have to start looking for comments. But what makes React is that number one, it is component based. It is it is easy to learn. Um, each the header, the footer, and the body have been segmented in such a way that it is easier to what to debug and find out which area was giving issues. For example, if you look at we have a component called grid, and inside you can see what we have the header, and we also have we have the footer, and everything has been done in such a way that what you don't need to start looking uh, for where an error is or where the issue is. And another important thing you should know about React that React is very well very is real time. For example, if I remove if I remove this semicolon, yes, and or this, it gives me an error. So what do I need to do? Just let me put it back. So the fact that whenever you make any changes that affect the structure of the React platform, it is very easy to debug. And if you want to uh, run it again, you just type npm start. And when you run it, it takes some time. It will ask you the question that do you want to run this? You say yes. Press enter. Yes, and you wait for it to come up. And so this is it. So whenever you get this prompt, yes, and the compilation is successful, you go back and this is it. So now, so this is after explain React to you in a bit. Another thing that you should also notice that talking now, what is Cloudinary? Now, Cloudinary is like is an important web tool or website, so that is used for what editing and modifying what images. Now, if you look at this particular React environment, normally, let me go to products where we have this. The importance of Cloudinary that it allows you to store your images on the cloud, meaning that you don't, when you, for most e-commerce websites that have a lot of images, you don't need to start s- um, being faced with the problem of importing those images manually. Now, how do we use Cloudinary? The first thing you should do is that what? You just go to Google, just type Cloudinary. It's quite easy. Now, let me use this browser. Hold on one second. Okay. Yes, and just type what Cloudinary. So click on this. Make sure you use the word the exact URL for Cloudinary. Now, the next thing you should do now, you have to create an account. So what you need to do is just click on what get started. It's a quite user-friendly environment. You can either manually create a user account, or if you can integrate it with your email address. I'm going to use my Bashcomtech email address. Now, it just takes a second. So the next thing you should do now, you should what upload your images. I think this is very important. You have to what upload your images to manage what you understand. So you go to media library. Um, then you see some of the images that are uploaded. Yes, sir. So the advantage that even let's say your system gets crashed or you lose your files, you can also what store your images on cloud. Then we integrate it what on React using the concept called mapping. So let's say I go to what upload. Let me get a particular what image. Um, then let me go to my document Shopify. Okay. So so let's go to the SRC and let's go to where we have images. I have some images here, so let me view this image. So let's say we want to import this particular image. Go to what? Let me see. Let's see the image. Let's say this is our image. You click on it and click on what? Open. So select open. Then it's uploaded. So this is the image that is uploaded. So after uploading it, uh, 1 second. So hold on. Just take a second. Okay. So let's refresh the Cloudinary environment. Okay. Yeah. So I said you go to what media library. From media library, you select your image. Okay. Let's say this is our image. Double click on the image. Yeah. So image has been uploaded. Okay. There's some warning uploads. Click OK. Okay. So now, after you've uploaded your image, the next thing you have to get the URL for that particular image. So you right click and you click on what open, open. So the major thing that we want to do, I want to get the URL. So allow it to load. It just takes some seconds. So then now click on what the URL, copy the URL, then go to where you have your what your mapping, then what paste the URL and press what Ctrl B and do your paste it. So and that's how what all these URL are generated. Now you can see that for an e-commerce website, the basic thing you need to do that what you have to declare the name of the product, the price, the currency, and the image. So the advantage of using Cloudinary is that it allows you to import as much images that you can on cloud, and so and that's how we came about this. Another thing you should know that it's also very responsive to an extent. So it's also very responsive. When you right click and click on inspect, um, yes, and then you can see that what it changes based on the size. So you can see, and another thing you can do is that also that you can also go to dimensions. So let's say you want to use for an iPhone, you want to know how it looks like for a tab, for a iPad mini, is how it looks. And also if you want the desktop view also, is how it looks also. So that's the important use of what using React what to modify and what upload your image on the cloud. Um, so the steps in doing this is quite what easy and very direct, and that's what I illustrated here also. Um, React is very important. It does a lot, and um, it is very important that what we try to learn and improve ourselves. Now, web development is not rocket science. Creating platforms like of this nature and of this is not that complex. Or creating HTML, CSS pages of this nature also. The second one is not that what complex. It just takes what time and dedication, and that's all. So I want to say thank you very much. I'll see you all in our next class. You understand? As I said before, React is a very important word framework used in web development, and it has a lot of advantages. And another important thing that what you have to keep on practicing to become better when it comes to what using React. So thank you very much, everybody. See you all in our next class. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.